Is your Pixlr project not saving? Maybe the save button doesn't respond, the project freezes while saving, or your edits disappear after refresh. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to fix Pixlr project not saving issues in 2026. So let's get started. First, make sure your internet connection is stable. Since Pixlr is cloud-based, a weak or unstable connection can interrupt saving. Next, refresh the page and try saving your project again. Sometimes temporary glitches prevent the save process from completing. Check that you're signed into your Pixlr account. If you're not logged in, your project may not sync or save properly. If your account storage or browser cache is full, saving may fail. Free up space or remove unused files if needed. Sometimes special characters or very long project names can cause saving issues. Rename your project using a simple name and try again. Old or corrupted browser data can interfere with saving. Clear your cache and cookies, restart your browser, and try saving again. Extensions like ad blockers or privacy tools may block save requests. Temporarily disable them and test the save function again. If saving still doesn't work, switch to another browser like Chrome, Firefox, Edge, or Safari. Different browsers handle cloud saving differently. Very large projects with many layers or heavy effects may fail to save. Try flattening layers or reducing image size before saving. Sometimes the issue is not on your device. If Pixlr servers are overloaded or under maintenance, saving may temporarily fail. There's nothing you can fix locally in that case. And that's how to fix Pixlr project not saving in 2026. Most issues can be solved by checking your connection, clearing browser data, simplifying your project, or switching browsers. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.